Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about garden pond cleaning. Ponds require maintenance to look their best. Doing it properly will make the process go much more smoothly. When temperatures are below 70°F, I am removing the algal growth of my pond using a pool net. If the pond is very dirty, you will need to remove most of the water out and refill the tank with fresh water after cleaning. To control algal growth, you can clean using pond net regularly, or you can use floating plants such as lilies, lotus. They provide shade and reduce direct sunlight in the pond and hence control the growth of algae. You can also add submerged plants that release oxygen to the water. And another point is you can add algaecide. It will prevent algae, but I'll not prefer this until when my pond is clean by following the first 2 points I mentioned. It's important to consider what is living in your pond before planning a regular cleaning. Ponds with only plants are usually cleaned in the spring, but those with fish or other permanent aquatic life should be cleaned in the fall. The frequency of pond cleaning is another important consideration. It's not a good idea to clean them more often, and the addition of pond filtration systems can further simplify your pond cleaning process. Gently, you can remove all the waste from the water using pond net. While we are doing this, my baby is just there watching us and relaxing. As a tip, I would suggest, in case you are deep cleaning, add some of the old water with the fresh water in the tank. This will help to speed up the re-establishment of helpful bacteria and microorganisms. Now my pond looks clean and better than before. Hope you like this video, and for more contents like this, subscribing to my channel will be awesome. See you soon in another one. Bye.